Let's continue with our pass and links discussion. Little catch up on this. If you remember, we've made links from the red page to the blue page to the index page, and so that whether you're on in the red environment, the blue, or on the index, we can link back and forth between them using our // and the name of the folder /. And so the build out of that should be pretty well working at this point. Now what we want to do is we want to make we want to create a little more visual appeal to each of the pages, so you can kind of visually see where you are in each of the pages. And we're going to use some CSS or cascading style sheets to do that. Now if we go back up into the head area, we can add a little tag. It's called an internal CSS style sheet. And so to do that, you simply type style type equals quote text /CSS quote bracket, and then you close that out with /style STYLE. And in between those things, in between those tags, we can now add some CSS. And one of the things I want to do is on the index page, we could set we can set a different color background. So I'm going to go ahead and on the index page, I'm going to take the body selector. If you notice down here, I'm going to say take that selector, and we're going to add some style to it. So I'm going to say body curly brace background dash color colon. I'm going to say number sign, and I'll go DE semicolon curly brace. Now I probably covered quite a few little things right there that you're not aware of. So let me just review. So the style, this creates an inline cascading style sheet. So we can. It's not an inline. It's actually an internal because it's head. It's part of the head. And so that internal style sheet then can be given some selectors, properties, and values. That's really the syntax of that. And so we're going to set the background color of the index to, and this DE is a hex value for a light gray color. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, go back to my page and hit refresh, and now I have kind of a light gray look to all of that. Now let's go back. I actually don't like that. I'll probably just leave that background color white because of the white backdrop to the logo. It looks kind of funny without that. So let's go to the blue page though, and let's add some color to that. So I'm gonna grab this style section right here and copy that. Go to the blue page. Right underneath the tile, I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to change the background color to 990000. So that'll set that to blue. Go ahead and save that. Come back over here, click on the blue page. Oh, that's right. That's exactly right. Blue is not 990. It's red are the first two values, green are the next two, and blue are the next two. So that needs to be 00. And then 99. Save that, hit refresh. So now we're on a blue page. Whew, that's a little bit hard to read. Now that we got blue, so we got our index page, our blue page, and that's really blue. So we could change that to a little bit different blue. Maybe do a little less blue in there. Save that, hit refresh. Or we can go a little bit the opposite direction. We can go save that, refresh. And that's doable, I suppose. Alright, so we've got the index page, the blue page now, and let's now go fix the red page. If we click on red, again we've already got that code in the on the clipboard, so I can just go in here and on red we'll go 990000. Save that, come back and click on red, blue, and index. So that kind of gives you a little bit of style recognition on each of those pages in terms of referencing them that way.